Voting is necessary for a political system to be democratic. European women voted for the first time in Finland in 1907 and in Spain in 1933. In the US, Afro-Americans got the right to vote in 1870. In South Africa, in 1994. Why doesn't the Spanish state respect voting in Catalonia? Why doesn't it allow a democratically elected representative to take his or her seat? On May 26, 2019, Catalans voted for the representatives in Europe: Carles Puigdemont, Diana Riba, Toni Comín, and Oriol Junqueras, sentenced by the Spanish state to 13 years in prison for sedition and malfeasance, for having allowed the people to vote. Puigdemont and Comín live in exile, persecuted by the Spanish justice system but protected by the European justice system. Why doesn't the Spanish state allow voting in a referendum? On October 1st, 2017, the Catalan people celebrated a referendum on independence that was violently repressed by the Spanish state. Europe must be a leader for democracy. Spain must respect the right to vote by allowing a referendum to take place, respecting the parliamentary immunity of Puigdemont and Comín,